Hello friends, welcome to Kasreddy Family Life. In today's video, I am going to show you Hallstatt city. This is the top attraction city in Austria. First I am going to show you drone footage of this city. After this I am going to show you mobile footage of the city like a walking tour. And at the end I am going to explain you how to reach the Hallstatt city. I hope you enjoyed the drone view of the city. Now I am going to show you the mobile footage of the city. Then you can understand what is in the city. It's like a walking trip all around the city. If you love to do boating, there are a lot of facilities to do boating. There is a cruise trips and various types of trips. If you are interested to see the top view of the city, you can climb the top of the hill like this. This way is just beside the church. You can see the view like this. This is the railway station, Salzburg railway station. From here we need to take the bus number 150. The bus stop is here. You can see bus number 150 towards Berg. The timings also here, the timetable. You need to wait here. Bus number 150 is coming. Using this bus we can go until the Berg. You can buy the ticket in the bus also. This is the interior of the bus. This bus directly drops us at the Berg railway station. This is the stop. If you want to reach this place, you can reach by train also. This is the railway station and also the bus stop to go to the Hallstatt. At platform number C, we need to take the 542 bus to go to the Hallstatt. So this is the bus 542. You can buy the ticket in the bus. Again, they drop you at here. Again, we need to change the bus number 543. So overall, we need to take the 3 buses. Regarding the bus schedules, I can put the link in the description. If you have any doubt, you can check in that link. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel Kasreddy Family Life for better videos like this.